1. Choose video editing software. Select a video editing software that suits your needs and experience level. Popular options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. 2. Create a project. Start a new project in your chosen software and import your media files. 3. Edit media files. Drag and drop videos onto the timeline and make necessary edits such as trimming, cutting, splitting, and other adjustments. 4. Add transition effects. Enhance scene transitions by adding transition effects. There are various options available from simple cuts to more complex transition effects. 5. Edit audio. Add suitable music to your video and adjust audio levels. Apply noise reduction or sound effects if needed. 6. Color correction. Improve the visual quality of your video by adjusting color correction and color grading. Experiment with brightness, contrast, saturation, and color balance settings. 7. Add text and graphics. Include titles, subtitles, or graphics to provide information or emphasize the storyline. 8. Effects and animations. Enhance visual appeal by adding special effects or animations. You can also utilize advanced techniques like green screen effects if desired. 9. Review and refine. Review your video. Make any necessary corrections or improvements. Make cuts, adjust transitions, and apply other changes as needed. 10. Export and share. Finally, export your video in the appropriate format. Choose settings for quality, size, and resolution carefully. Then, share or publish your video on your desired platform. By following these steps, you can edit your